Recycling matters. But in heavy industry, the most sustainable choice is not always to buy something new. Sometimes the greener path is to look at a machine with history, strength, and proven engineering and ask, can this still serve the future? Across Europe, only 11.5% of material use was circular in 2025. In heavy machinery, where assets are massive, complex, and material intensive, that question matters. Meet the Sarens AK 680-3. Originally built in 1980 by Gottwald, this 1,200-ton lattice boom truck crane combines the lifting power of a large crawler crane with the mobility of a road-going crane. But what makes it exceptional is not only its capacity, it is the fact that more than 40 years later, it is still working. The AK 680-3 has belonged to Sarens for decades. Instead of retiring it, Sarens rebuilt, modernized, upgraded, and trusted it. Today, it is operated by Sarens in the UK, based in Middlesbrough, and continues to support major infrastructure, industrial, energy, port, and petrochemical projects. For crane fans, seeing it drive is already a spectacle. Seeing it lift is something else entirely. Its massive lattice boom, counterweight package, and unmistakable 1980s engineering make it a true industry icon. But the real lesson is bigger than the crane. Upcycling is not nostalgia. It is recognizing exceptional engineering and giving it the technology, care, and investment it needs to serve another generation. The AK 680-3 proves that green is not always new. Sometimes green is careful. Sometimes green is intelligent. Sometimes green is upcycled. This is Creators and Explorers, powered by Sarens, teaching the industry what matters, with respect for engineering, confidence in expertise, and the vision to give exceptional machines a future.